So, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to make three topology in Cisco Packet Tracer. So the first, you can go to switch, then you can take three switch from here with the switch. You take the 2153 step 3. Then after that, you can take also 4 PC. See. Then in here, go to cable. Then you can connect with this cable, pass one, just like this. And now the three topology has been done. Then now if you want to try send message, you need to configure first your computer. Go to click the PC, then next stop, IP configuration. For that you can set your IP like 192.168.1.1, enter, then copy this one. This one also point one, point two, enter. This one also. If the second one, point three, enter. The fourth one, point four, enter. And next, if you want to send message, just select comment form, need comment form, then ping 192.168.1.2, enter. And yeah, it's been done. Then you can try check it out by click this thing, then you can send this one to this one. Success. How about this one to this one? Success. So it's been done. Three topology. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.